waiting my whole life to take this chance, leave my dead-end job, these dead-end plans. Spent too much time saying yes sir, yes ma'am. Gonna quit today and dye my hair black, get a butterfly tattooed on my lower